Hi guys, welcome to the final week of online learning. This is the final week of the semester. Summer vacation is so close. I wanted to give you guys a little video to kind of outline and overview the final assignment to kind of help you guys out as you finish up this week and just work through the assignment and then also the sample. And then if you guys have questions or concerns, please let me know, especially via reminder email. So this is assignment number 6. It's about giving advice, and it is meant to capture some of the things that we were trying to do before the COVID-19 closure, which is to create a story and to create a film. And so we're encouraging you to do that for this final piece. I think the easiest way to understand this assignment is actually to go look at the directions, but also look at the samples. Including my sample, and then Ms. Zima's sample is also one that you can reference. So I'm not going to read this verbatim, but this does have 2 parts. The first part is you're going to create some type of reflection, and you're going to offer some type of advice for this situation, or for your junior year, or for life in general. Maybe it's advice that's representative of things that is more within your realm, like if you dance or if you do a sport, if you're into a certain hobby. And also it could just be general advice that you want to share with the world. And there's lots of different focus questions down here to help you. When you write that reflection, it does need to be a little bit of a longer writing piece. More is better in this respect because it's going to help me really understand what you're thinking, and it's going to help showcase good writing skills, which is the final assignment we need so we can move you guys on to your senior year. The second part of it is you're going to make some type of video clip. You are going to be submitting it. It shouldn't be longer than a minute. And you do want to upload it to your Google Drive. When you do that, the goal is actually to work with Tom. So if you guys remember Tom from Access Vision, he was the one that was going to help showcase our film festival videos. Since we're unable to do that this year, he's actually going to take all of your guys' films from this project and splice it together to create kind of like a video reel of advice for this year. When you do the film, you will want to think about things like copyright law, and that includes music as well as photos from the internet. In fact, you'll see in my sample, I thought using my personal photos was much better, or much more productive. So moving forward, if you guys remember, this was also inspired by The Great Gatsby, the book that we were able to do together before the closure. Nick has that advice where his father tells him, don't judge people. And there's a couple other things on here too, and we want you to kind of roll with that idea and make your own video. So let's look at my reflection. So as you can see, it's about a page long. And part of it is because I broke it up. I didn't want it to be one big chunky paragraph. And I did try to play around with some of the techniques that we did during the This I Believe essay. So 1-sentence paragraph. If you notice, the beginning is a little bit of an introduction. And then this right here is my actual advice. That's my italics, and this is kind of what I believe. And my advice is, it's relevant to the COVID crisis, but also just in general, which is find your optimism, or find something positive in your life to get you through the tough stuff. Now, obviously, the tough stuff for me has been quarantine, but tough stuff could be lots of different things. So that's where my advice went, and then I just kind of explained a couple aspects of my advice. I talked about how this is relevant to the COVID and quarantine crisis. And then I talked about some of the positive things that I found during this whole closure, these last, I think it's been 8 or 9 weeks now. And then I kind of did a closing, which is just what is the biggest takeaway that I have from my advice, and what do I want people to get. And what happened is parts of this reflection became the transcripts to my video. So I'm not going to play the video per se, but I will pull it up. It's located twice. And if you listen to this, you'll hear some of the stuff is verbatim from my reflection. Not all of it. I didn't read the whole reflection, but what I did do is I went through this and I highlighted some of my favorite lines. and then I use that as a voiceover technique with the iMovie program. Now you could use any type of video recording program. I used iMovie because it's what's on my iPhone. And then what ended up happening is in my video, just like it says here, I used photos that were my own. I actually took a couple video reels outside because it was about sunshine and rain. So during the rainy few days last week, I did a couple kind of random videos. So mine has what's called a lot of B-roll. B-roll is like background footage or photos, and then my voiceover is the A-roll that goes over it. You can do something like mine, or you could do something where you're just sitting and talking and giving your advice. It's up to you if you want it to make it more craft-like or more film cinematography-like, or if you want it to be more straightforward. So I encourage you to have fun with it and kind of see what you're able to create. If you look at the rubric, you do have to complete both parts. Don't forget to do the reflection and to do the reflection well, because it's going to impact these two scores. The second thing is your film needs to have your advice. It needs to have some type of creativity or engagement. There's been a lot of film techniques out there. Like it could be as simple as you holding up a picture that represents your advice and talking about that. It could be having somebody else read your advice with you. There's lots of different ways you can create that creativity. And then don't forget mechanics, which is definitely going to impact, once again, that writing piece. When you guys go to submit, you'll have a copy of this, and you could write your reflection below the rubric, kind of what we've been doing throughout weeks 1 through 5. And then you will have to attach the video. And we want you to attach the video in a way that we can still access and download it with Tom. So when you do that, what will happen is, this is a different assignment for an AP student, but you can see Grace did a reflection, and then she did her movie, and the movie is attached right here like this. And then that way I can go up here and I can download it. So then that way we can share it with Tom. So that would be the way to make sure that you have 2 documents that we can look through, and then we can put these videos together. So hopefully that gives you guys some insight on what the final piece is, what I would like to see you do. Once again, if you guys have any questions, please reach out to me. I appreciate all of the hard work you've been doing. I, without a doubt, miss you guys and miss being in the classroom. And I hope that this is just one way to kind of capture what we were trying to get done before the closure. And I am really excited to see what you guys create. So take care, and I hope to hear from you soon.